Hey guys, honestly Erica. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a little sheet mask haul of some sheet masks I recently received from Glam Up. And also there's going to be a little demo at the end on how I like to use sheet masks. So I got a set of 12 sheet masks in all different flavors from Glam Up. This one is the moisturizing avocado sheet mask. This one is the revitalizing sake sheet mask. Here is the firming pomegranate sheet mask. This is the nourishing shea butter sheet mask. This is the one I'm going to be demoing today. Next up is the nourishing acai berry sheet mask. This is the clarifying oatmeal sheet mask. This is the refreshing peppermint sheet mask. Here is the rejuvenating tea tree sheet mask. Here is the brightening lemon sheet mask. Here is the refreshing green tea sheet mask. The radiant tomato sheet mask. And the soothing aloe sheet mask. So now it's time to get started applying the sheet mask. Make sure you read the directions when you use any facial products. It's just really important for you to follow directions so your skin is happy. I'm going to start off by cleansing my face so that it is clean and clear and free of any dirt or debris so that the mask has an opportunity to penetrate my skin. These sheet masks are available in a set on Amazon, and if you're interested, I'll definitely leave a link in the description box below. They're really inexpensive. So now it's time to open the package and apply the sheet mask to your face. It's shaped like a face. It's got holes for your nose, mouth, and eyes. There's usually a little nose flap for your nose, so make sure you unravel that. Just smooth it onto your skin. I like to make sure that there's no big air pockets and all of the sheet is touching each portion of my face. Make sure you read the directions and see how long the mask is supposed to stay on your skin. This one says between 20 and 30 minutes, so now it's just time to wait. What was school about?
Nothing. I was just sore today because yesterday in the weight room I actually really worked out.
Oh, Carter, catch the ball. Catch. Go back. Go back.
I'm happy too.
Okay, now what? I need all of the haircuts.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, level up, level up, level up. It's over. It's over now. Move over. Yummy all in your tummy. The game's shut down. Sorry.
I'm having a good time.
Here in the garden.
It's 1997. All over again. Now after 20 minutes, I just removed the sheet mask. I like to use any leftover moisture to rub down my neck and chin and a little bit on my chest. And then I just massage any leftover moisture into my face and skin. You do not have to rinse. Now this one was a little bit sticky until it completely dried, and then it was really nice and smooth and left my skin really moisturized. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me what your favorite facial treatment at home is. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I go live every single Sunday at 7 p.m. Central. This Sunday, we're going to be talking about skincare and going through my nighttime skincare routine. I'll see you guys on there. Bye. This feels